Would you like to know how to make this delicious jollof rice, chicken, and salad? Then sure to watch this video to the end. Merry Christmas from Joy's Kitchen and Wellness. So today I'm just going to quickly show you a shot of how I made my Christmas jollof rice without tin. I'm going to show you the pepper mix. I've already steamed it. So I don't want to take this phone there because of the generator sound. You may not be able to hear me. But for the pepper mix, I just used just 3 ingredients: just tomatoes, fresh pepper, and shobo. No tin tomatoes. I blended it and then steam it. Okay, I'm going to blend onions separately later. Okay, so quickly now I'll just show you the tomatoes, and then I'll show you the chicken I'm going to use, and then I'll show you what I'm going to use to season the chicken. So here is the steamed tomato mix, and here is the chicken I'm going to be using for this jollof rice. So here is the chicken all washed. Next I'm just going to add what I'm going to use to cook it. I started with adding onions, and then I'm going to be adding bay leaves. Then I'll add curry powder. So I use 4 sachets of this small curry powder. I also added a all-purpose seasoning. I used 2 of that, and then I added half of this nutmeg. Then I added the pepper terra, 2 teaspoons, then a generous amount of water. Enjoy the rest of the video. It's simple, just watch. And then don't forget to like, share, leave comment below in the comment section how you prepare your jollof rice, and please subscribe to the channel if you are yet to. This is Joy's Kitchen and Wellness. And then we test for seasoning and salt. Then if you like, you can add more Maggi for taste. This is Joy's Kitchen and Wellness. So this is it. Our jollof rice, Christmas jollof rice is ready. You don't need any tomatoes. As you can see, the color is very beautiful. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this. This is Joy's Kitchen and Wellness. So we'll be adding salad to it.